In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use track changes in Word. Track changes is one of the most useful tools in Microsoft Word when you're editing a document, reviewing someone else's work, or collaborating with a team. It helps you clearly see what has been added, removed, or changed, so nothing gets missed during the review process. Once you know where to find it and how to manage the edits, it becomes very simple to use. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and go to the Review tab at the top of the screen. This is where Word places most of its editing and commenting tools, so it's the main area you'll use for reviewing documents. In the Review tab, look for the Track Changes option. Click Track Changes to turn it on. Once it's enabled, Word will start marking any edits made to the document. That means if text is inserted, deleted, or reformatted, those changes will be recorded instead of being applied silently. This is especially helpful when you want a clear history of revisions. After making changes, or when you're reviewing edits that have already been made, stay in the Review tab and look for the controls that help you move through those revisions. To keep a change, choose Accept. This tells Word that the edit should become part of the final version of the document. If you decide that a change should not stay, choose Reject instead. Reject removes that edit and returns the document to its earlier version in that specific spot. As you work through the document, it's a good idea to review each change carefully before accepting or rejecting it. This helps make sure the final document reflects exactly what you want. If there are several edits throughout the file, you can continue using these same options until all changes have been reviewed. A helpful tip is to make sure Track Changes is only on when you actually want Word to record your edits. If you leave it on by accident, even small formatting adjustments may appear as tracked revisions. So after you finish reviewing, it's worth checking the Review tab again to confirm whether it should remain enabled. That's all it takes to use Track Changes in Word. Once you know how to turn it on and how to accept or reject edits, reviewing documents becomes much more organized,